Where's Batman?
Hi.
We're at Ikea looking
guys,
for a mirror. Hey guys, what are we fixing today? We are gonna remove that round mirror and put a long one. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is remove that. We need a drill.
You said there was a bag in the bathroom.
This is the bad guy. Mr. Lucy. Bada bing. Now we shall remove this mirror. That's what it looks like when I record. Oh, my eyes are so pretty. Look at that. Open this up. This thing needs to be taken off. This is gonna go screwed into the wall. All right, Eli's trying to help me. Ah! I'm trying to see what's straight. Okay, so they want me to use this box. Now the studs are usually all the way at the corner of each wall. I want to hear what that sounds like compared to a little bit right here. Okay, so right where they have that mark, it sounds like it's a good spot. I'm only using this so I can put a hole in all the spots where I need a hole. So I'm basically just making a hole in the cardboard so I can mark it with a pencil. So just scribble in there. Yep.
That was the wrong way.
Whoa! Yeah. All right. And this corner. Thanks, Eli.
I'm actually Bruce Wayne.
I need some more tools. We need one of these to make a hole. We got this in the drill. We're gonna make a slight little hole. Oh shoot, my life would have been so much easier with these. So the mirror did not come with the screws that I need. It just came with the brackets. It told me that I should not use flat ones, but ones that are more rounded. I guess because we don't want it to be small enough to go through here. Actually, I think these two are gonna be fine. So I need to find two more that look like this. I found a bunch of randos. One of them is kind of small, but it safely fits in here. Oh, it's so dark in here. This is gonna go in here. Can you see me? Damn, that's in there, yo.
Oh, it's in the dealer. Guys, she's grounded.
I'm grounded.
Go to the room.
Doing the same. God damn it.
She's grounded.
And now we put these in. This has to be like this, and then the two on the side like this. And then this one, which you're not gonna see. We are getting the mirror. Let's hope I don't break this. Huh?
Then how can I have a cape?
That was so easy. Yay, we put a new mirror. We did it, guys. It looks good. Thanks for watching, guys.
My name is actually Eli. I found Joker.
You got him?
Stick him in the trash can.